Hey everybody, I'm Chris G, Positively Progressing. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we have another midweek musical quiz. Just so you know, we're doing 7th chords today: major, minor, dominant, half diminished, and fully diminished. Now you may not just get block voicings, but you will get the root on the bottom. Might hear some different voicings today. Quick reminder, I'm going to play the chord 2 times, then I'm going to arpeggiate it the way that it's voiced, and then I'm going to give you the answer. So if you want to write down your answers, I'll leave an answer sheet at the end of this video, but if you just want to keep track while you're doing it, that's cool too. One more quick note. If you're a beginner to ear training, or if you're a beginner to kind of hearing chords like this, don't worry about getting the specific chord. Just try to get the chord quality. Try to hear major, try to hear minor. Just worry about the chord quality at first. Don't try to get too complicated and think like, oh, I need to know what exact chord that is. Don't worry about that. That'll come later. That'll come later. Let's get started. Number 1. That was C major 7.
Number 2.
If you heard minor, you're right. That was F minor 7. Number 3. All right, that was G dominant 7. G dominant. Here we go, number 4. That was fully diminished, A fully diminished. Number 5, here we go. If you heard dominant there, you're correct. That's F sharp dominant 7. I did a voicing of 1, 7, 3, 5. All right, number 6. All right, B flat major 7. And now we're on to number 7. That's a pretty chord. If you said half diminished, you're right. That's D as in dog, half diminished. So I voiced that one. 1, 7. That's a flat 3, flat 5 up top. Here we go, number 8. If you said major, you're right. A flat major. All right, 2 to go. Here's number 9. If you said major again, you're right again. That's D flat major 7 with that 1, 7, 3, 5 voicing. Okay, here's the last one. I'm going to move the root down an octave. give you one more fully voiced. All right, that one is minor, B minor. All right, so that is midweek musical quiz number 2 in the books. The next one I make will be a little bit more difficult. So if you've had difficulty with the first 2, maybe go back and forth with those 2 and try to hear the chords, try to hear the 7th chords. Focus on the 3rds, focus on the 7ths. So here's major, here's dominant, right? You hear that? So, and the difference between dominant and minor is the 3rd. So, got a major 3rd here, now here's a minor 7th chord. Alright, diminished is totally crazy. That one sounds like a scary movie of some sort. And then half diminished is maybe a little bit more difficult to hear. That's half diminished. But if you know the other 4, then the one that sounds unlike the other 4 is the half diminished. So, so that's it for this week. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.